Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Raksha Bandhan together, step by step. Raksha Bandhan is full of maths, sharing sweets, tying rakis, and making patterns. Let's explore sharing and simple fractions. When we share equally, everyone gets the same amount. 8 sweets shared between 2 children is 4 each. When we split one whole into equal parts, we get fractions. A half is one of 2 equal parts. A quarter is one of 4. A box of 4 sweets shared between 2 children gives 4 divided by 2, 2 sweets each. To recap, sharing equally means the same for everyone, and fractions like a half and a quarter are equal parts of a whole. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.